Hey friends, how's it going today? We are learning all about the ocean. So today we're going to find out things that can sink and float. That's kind of something tricky, isn't it? Well, when we were learning about the ocean, we know that there's some animals that like to live in the ocean, and some animals like to float on the top, and some like to swim at the bottom. So I have some pictures up here today on my chart, and we're going to find out if they float to the top or they sink to the bottom. Friends, when we talk about sink and float, when we use the word float, it means it stays on top. When we use the word sink, it goes down to the bottom. Okay, I have some things here today on my tray, and we're going to find out if they sink or float. Up here on my chart, this word is float. The arrow's going up. It means it stays on top of the water. This word says sink. It has an arrow going down. That means it comes to the bottom of the bucket. Over here is our words and the pictures of the things we're going to try for our experiment. Okay? So let's look at the things that we're going to find out if they sink or float. Sound good? Okay, let's look at my tray. I have, what's that? That's right, it's a key. We're going to find out if the key sinks or floats. What's this one? That's right, it's a coin or quarter. It's an orange. Good job. I wonder what the orange is gonna do. What is this? A string, or we could call it some yarn. We're gonna find out what that yarn does. And then I have a ball, golf ball. I wonder if it sinks or floats. And a cube. It's one of our little building cubes from our classroom. What's this one? Paper clip. Nice job. And a cup. Let's see what the cup's gonna do. And one more. It's a button. All right. So friends, over here on our word wall are all the things that we're gonna try today. If it floats, it stays on the top. We're gonna put it over here. If it sinks, which means it goes down to the bottom, then we're gonna put it under here. The way we're gonna find out is I have this bucket right here, and I'm gonna put the things in there and see what they do, okay? All right, let's get ready. I'm gonna put my things down here on the floor so you can see my bucket. Miss Shara's gonna tilt her camera down a little bit so that you can see it all the way down, okay? All right, here's my bucket of water. I have water in it. Woo! All right, the first one we're gonna try is the orange. Do you think the orange is gonna stay at the top or sink to the bottom? What's your prediction? Oh, that's a big word. Prediction is like a guess. What do you think? All right. My prediction is I think it's gonna sink. So I'm gonna put it under here. Let's see if I'm right. I wonder what your prediction was. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put the orange in the water. Is it gonna float, stay on the top, or sink to the bottom? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. What is it doing? It's staying at the top. It did not go to the bottom. It is floating. So friends, we need to take our orange picture and slide it over. An orange floats. Great job. Okay, let's get the next one. Let's do the coin. Do you think the coin is gonna float like the orange or sink to the bottom? What do you think? You think it's gonna float? Okay, let's put it up here at the orange. You think it's gonna stay at the top? Let's find out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What happened? It's at the bottom. It sank all the way down. It did not float. We need to slide it over here. It went down, 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 down. The coin sank. That was so fun. Let's do another one. Let's get this one. What's that? That's right. It's our cup. What do you think the cup's gonna do? Is it gonna float like the orange or sink to the bottom like the coin? What's your prediction? Float? Okay, let's try it. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What's it doing? It's floating! Good job! We got it right! Good job! The cup and the orange are both floating. We can say that a cup can float. Nice job! Let's get another one. Let's do this one. This is our cube, or little block. All right, what's your prediction? Is it gonna float or sink down to the bottom? You think it's gonna sink? Okay. Here we go. Uh-oh, something's happening to the cup. Are you watching it? Oh. Is it still float? What's happening? Let me show you. Friends, the cup is sinking. It's filling up with water. Oh my goodness. We might have to change our prediction if it goes all the way down by the quarter. Okay, let's do our block. You ready? 3, 2, 1. What's it doing? It is floating. It's not sinking. We have to slide it over here. A cube can float at the top with the orange. Okay, are you ready for another one? Me too. Let's do this one. Here's our yarn. Is it gonna float or sink? Is it gonna float or sink? I don't know. Here we go. We're gonna put it in the bucket. Count with me. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna have to show you with my camera because it's kind of far away. Here we go. What is the yarn doing? That's right, it is floating. So we need to put it over there on our chart. Okay, here's our yarn. We said it's floating. Okay, friends, let's do a few more, okay? Here we go. How about, let's do the paper clip. Here it is. Let's do our paper clip. Here's our paper clip. Are you ready? What's your prediction? Sink or float? I think it's gonna sink. Let's see. Let's find out. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, did you see it fall? It's down there with the quarter. Oh my goodness, let's take a peek. There it is. It's at the bottom. We know when it goes to the bottom, it means it sank. It went all the way down. So Miss Shara was right. Yes! Okay, let's do another one. You ready? Here we go. I know. Let's do the button. Here's our button. You see it? Is it gonna float or sink? Is it gonna float or sink? What do you think? You think it's gonna sink? Okay, let's find out. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Did you see it fall? It went all the way down. We know a button. It sinks. It's down there with the quarter and the paper clip. Oh my goodness, it went down, 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 down. All right, friends, let's do this one. What's that? That's right, it's a ball. I have a golf ball. Okay, what do you think? It's gonna sink or float? You think it's gonna float? Okay, let's put it right here. Here we go, count with me. 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? Where did it go? Oh no! It's all the way at the bottom. We know that a golf ball sinks. It doesn't float. We need to put it over here. It went down, down, down. Okay, we got one more. Let's grab it, okay? All right, are you ready? Let's see what it is. It's upside down. It's a key! Friends, let's find out if our key will sink or float. What do you think? Sink? Okay. Let's put it right here. Okay, so you're telling me it's gonna go down, down, down? Okay, you ready? Last one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? It went down, down, down. What does that mean? It did. It sank. It sank all the way down. You were right. Friends, that was so much fun. We learned about things that can float at the top and things that sink to the bottom. All right, let me give you one more sneak peek, see what's going on in our tub. Look at all those things, friends. All of those things we found out if they can sink or float. Okay, when we look up here on our chart, it gives us all the things that can float in orange, a cup, a cube, and yarn. When we look over here at things that can sink, that go down, 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 we know a coin, a paper clip, a button, a ball, and a key. Those things sink. They went down, down, down. All right, friends. Thank you so much for playing my game with me today called Sink or Float. All right, Miss Shara left you all these pictures. If you want to play this game too, there's lots of things that you can try. You don't have to use the same things that Miss Shara used. Maybe you want to use a crayon or a marker or a spoon Or maybe you want to try one of your bath toys and see what it does. Bath time would be a great time to play this game. All you need is a little bucket of water and some fun things, and you can make a chart just like me. Now remember, always ask your mommies or daddies or whoever's taking care of you to be your helper, because this is water and it can be messy, messy, messy. All right, friends, until next time, I'll see you later, alligators. Bye, friends.